Students, today I will teach you tests of divisibility. So without dividing the number, we can tell that the number is divisible by the other number or not. What is divisibility? Without actual division, without dividing the number. Suppose we are dividing 12 by 2, that means 2 6 are 12. So here we can see that 12 is divisible by 2. So without dividing the number, how we can say that the number is divisible by the given number or not? So here let's begin with 2. So 2, if any number is divisible by 2 without dividing the number, how we can say that the number is divisible by 2 or not? If the number is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, if any number here 32, so it is ending with 2, so that means 32 is divisible by 2. We did not divide, but by just looking on these numbers and match that it is ending with any of these number, then it means it is divisible by 2. Suppose any number 823114, so here we can see that it is ending with 4, that means it is divisible by 2. If it is ending with 83, that means it is ending with 3, and we are not finding here 3, so that means 83 is not divisible by 2. So without dividing, we have found that it is not divisible by 2. Now divisibility of 3. If suppose this is the number or any other number, suppose we are taking here 5 6 4 2 1. So how we will say? We will add all the number 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So here we will add all these 5 digits. So what is the summation of this number? The summation of this number is 18. 5 6 11 4 2 plus 1, here 18, and we will see that 18 is divisible by 3, so that means the number 56421 is divisible by 3 without dividing. We have just add all the numbers and see that the number is divisible by 3. Here divisibility of 4. If any number ending with 20, if any number consisting 0 in the end, that means it is divisible by 4. Or ending last 2 digits, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, that means the whole number is divisible by 4. 5. If the number is ending with 10 or ending with 5, that means it is divisible by 5. Here 6500, so here ending with 10 now here, so that means whole number 6500 is divisible by 5 without dividing. We can say that it is divisible by 5 because it is ending with 0. Or I can say that any number ending with 5, 49385, so here it is ending with 5. We can say that the whole number 49385 is divisible by 5 because it is ending with 5. Now divisibility of 6. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, if any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means it is divisible by 6. So here I'll give you one example. 8352, that means 2. We will see the divisibility of 2. It is ending with 2. If it is ending with any this number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means it is divisible by 2. divisibility of 3. What was the divisibility of 3? Adding all the number. So here now we will add all these number. 8 to 10, 15 plus 3 is equals to 18, and 18 is coming in the table of 3 also. So that means it is divisible by 2 also, it is divisible by 3 also. So that means 18 is divisible by 6. So without dividing the whole number, we can say that whole number 8352 is divisible by 6. Divisibility of 7. If any number, suppose 119 I am taking here, this is the number. If the last number, we will twice the last number, that means 9 to the 18. We will subtract the number with rest of the numbers. We have twice the number, we have twice the ones at which was at ones place, divide and we will subtract the rest of the number. So 18 minus 11 is equals to 7, and 7 is divisible by 7. 7 is a multiple of 7. So here 7 is divisible, but that means 119 is divisible by 7. Once again I will tell you this divisibility. We will twice the number which is at ones place, and we will subtract that number in rest of the numbers. Now divisibility of 8. If the number is ending with 30, if the last 3 digits is 30, or the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, that means the whole number is divisible by 8. So here I am taking one example. So here you can see that last 3 digits are here, last 3 digits are 0, so that means we can say that whole number is divisible by 8. If once again I'll take 1 3 1 2 1 4 4, that means last 3 numbers. Here you can see if we'll divide 144, that means it will divisible by 8. So we can say that the whole number is divisible by 8. Divisibility of 9 is as same as we have taught here, 3. We will add all the numbers, all the digits, and if it is divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3. So similarly, if the whole number, when we will add and see that the number is divisible by 9, that means the whole number is divisible by 9. So here I will take 1 8 7 6 9 6 5 4. So here I will add all the digits. 8 7 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, and the summation of this is 45. And we can say that 45 is divisible by 9, because in the table of 9 45 is coming. So that means the whole number without dividing, we can say that 8 7 6 9 6 5 4 is divisible by 9. Divisibility of 10 is very simple. If any number ending with 0, that means it is divisible by 10. Here 310, that means it is divisible by 0. 4560, that means it is divisible by 10. 389200, that means it is divisible by 10. So with these divisibility tests, you can do your homework, and it will be very helpful in doing your classwork assignment. Thank you, children.